So Discord.python finally supports user-installed commands.
These are slash commands that you can use in anyone's DM, any group chat, and any server. Let's get into it. First, open Discord Developer Portal in your browser.
Use this link in the screen.
Hit New Application button.
Give your application a name and hit Create.
Now go to Bots section from sidebar.
Scroll down and turn on all intents. Click Save, and then go to Installation section from sidebar. Scroll down and follow as I do. Add bot to guild install, then add administration to permissions.
Hit Save and go to Desktop, but do not close your browser just yet. Go anywhere in your desktop or computer and create a new folder. Name it anything you want. And now open the folder with your code editor.
I am using VS Code, but you can use any code editor as long as you know what you're doing.
Create a new Python script named main.py.
Tap Ctrl plus backtick key to open a new terminal. And now just follow as I do. Tap Ctrl plus backtick again to close the terminal.
And now let's write some code.
Import these as I did at the top of your file.
Basically follow whatever I'm doing in the video. Whatever symbol you put inside the command prefix will be the normal prefix for your bot. This can be used to interact with your bot without slash commands in the servers the bot is in. We will use dot as the prefix. By the way, if you run into any issues, you can join my Discord server for help. Link will be down in the description.
Okay, now on to the important part.
This code is your slash command. We gave it a name and description.
We allowed it to work on guilds or servers, DM and private channels.
This line is also essential for user installation. Hello is our command name. The bot is going to respond with hello when the slash command is used. That code was just for using that slash command on user installation.
Let's also do the classic normal command now. While I'm writing the code, I want to thank Envy from Discord for helping me with this video.
And now open browser and go to Discord Developer Portal again.
Make sure you're in bot section and then hit Reset Token button.
Copy this token and never share it to anyone else. This is top secret. Open code after you've copied the token. Now type this line at the end of your code. Place your token in between the brackets.
Also notice that I have edited these message to provide a better example of those code. Edit these message however you like.
Open terminal again and do as I do.
Now your bot should be online.
Let's invite it to a server. Go to Discord Developer Portal and make sure you're in Installation section. And now copy this link and paste it in your browser to open it.
It will auto-open your Discord and let you select a server. I'm selecting a random server and click Continue. The bot is now in the server,
but the slash command won't yet be available.
Let's try and see if the normal command works. The normal command works. Now click on the bot's profile. Click on Add and select the first option. Click Authorize.
And now the slash command will be listed and usable.
You can also use this in DMs, group chats, or anywhere else. Now let's try to use this slash command in my friend's DM.
As you can see, it works. To get the code of this bot, you can download it from my Patreon. Link will be in the description.